Whoiskingshawn.
YouTube, what's up? It's Whoiskingshawn, and we're back again with another banger. I'm letting you know now. Save this video, share this video, like this video, and please comment underneath this video, because this is what people is always asking me about. You know, they telling me my personal credit score is good at this point. I followed your channel a couple years. I got excellent personal credit. I followed all your steps on the business side. Got an 85 payday score. Got 5, 6, 7 primary accounts on the business side. I got everything going. I got the credit cards. I got the funding, the business lines of credit, personal loans. Where can I buy an investment property? What can I do with all this funding? I'm gonna show you. But before we get into it, this is Loopnet.com. This is the site I use. Besides this one, we're gonna go back 6 to 8 months. Bear with me. We're gonna go in here. We're gonna see what they got, right? You remember this website right here? I did a video on BizBuySell. I actually bought a property on this website right here years ago. This is a good website if you're looking to buy a business, up and going, already making money. You ain't gotta buy the property, you ain't gotta buy this, you ain't gotta fix this, you ain't gotta do that. No, business that's already paid, walk in there, start generating money that same month, right? So let's go through this list before we get into Loopnet.com, right? We'll go back on this BizBuySell. I need y'all to like this video. I need y'all to share it, please, people. I want to see y'all win. I want y'all to get to the next level, but I'm giving you all information, but it's up to you to actually do the work, right? So if you want, you could change the price right here. If this is out of your range, you could go high. I have some people that's, you know, buying properties that's $1 million, $2 million. Everybody's on different levels of their life, you know, but you could go right here and you could change it to whatever you want, right? But so we're just gonna leave it right there, open range. It's gonna give me a variety of prices. Just look at this right here. $30,000, amazing lash studio. For all women that's out there, they doing lashes. You got the funding, you got the great personal credit. Go ahead and buy a business already up and going. Come on. Car wash, up and going, $450,000. I actually was looking for a car wash 2 years ago, but it didn't fall in. It just didn't happen. The price I was trying to get it at, they wanted too much. They wasn't trying to budge, so I passed on it. Anyway, you could do that. So many different sites right here. Look, finance available, tech repair inside Walmart. Already going, making money, generating $125,000, people. Ain't nobody showing you these gems, people. Like the video, comment on this video, and share it, please, man. That's all I ask. I'm not asking for nothing else. I'm giving y'all the game. I'm giving y'all the gems. I want to see y'all win. But again, you cannot make excuses. You got to do the work. I can't hold your hand and think everything that's gonna fall, you know, fall in place like that. Look at all these different business, all these different prices for all different kind of ranges. People that are getting money, high funded, and people that's on the low end. It doesn't matter. You can buy yourself a business already going, making money. As soon as you walk in there, it's generating money, right? So we're gonna get off it, but look at this right here. Look at this. This is something simple. $90,000, right? Hot dog stand on water, people. In Florida, and you can put whatever state. I'm in Florida, so I put Florida. And then just look at, let me move this over. I need y'all to see this, man. I don't want no excuses, none at all from y'all. Seriously, I'm giving y'all all the game and where to go. Right here, $90,000, right? On the water in Florida. Check this out. Let's blow this up. Let's look at this. Ready to go. Come on, man, go on there, sell your little hot dogs, sell your snacks, soda, drinks, you know, take them on a little tour. You know, people are traveling to Florida. This is non-stop money, man. This is a no-brainer. 90 grand, stop playing. All ready to go, right? So that's just an example, right? But we're gonna get off this. I already broke down this website. You could go on it. We're not talking about that today. We're going to loopnet.com, right? So let's move this over here. Loopnet.com is another site I use. That I'm always on, looking, strolling, looking for opportunities. And right here, locations in Florida. So it's gonna show me all the different things. You got storefronts right here. You want a storefront all ready to go. You might be a barber, you might be, you know, whatever. You might be doing hair, might be doing nails, whatever you may be doing. Go ahead and buy yourself a little spot there, right? Keep going down. Bear with me. I need y'all to stay on here. Don't be clicking off. I'm giving y'all the game. Everything is right here. House, you can buy warehouses. Look at this. Warehouse, not the stuff in the warehouse, people. Be easy. You know, go ahead. Go get a warehouse like this, commercial. Start leasing it out. Lock somebody in for 3 years, 5 years. Get your money. Stop playing. Look at this. $340,000. Put a small down payment on this. Literally, take the money off the card, business line of credit, get the money off of there. Go ahead, get a property, start making money. People are looking for commercial places. So let's go here. Let's keep going. Bear with me. Lock in with me. Right here. Come on now. $335,000. Let's check this out. Let's see what's going on with here. It's another storefront. Got a little fitness. You into fitness? Start your little gym there. High traffic place. You know, a lot of places there. Come on now. Ready to go. Look at this. This is beautiful. This is no excuse. It's no excuse. If you got that credit right and you got that business credit, look at this. Look at this. Look at this place. Look at the shopping center. High traffic here. Got a lot of storefronts. Come on, man. That's why I don't be listening to excuses. When people tell me excuses, I keep it moving. Look at this, $475. What's this? A restaurant, bar? Let's blow this up. Come on now, hold on. Bear with me, y'all. Look at this. Come on. Look at this. Got a whole bar. Got a whole bar in here. $475. Look at this. Look at the community. Shopping center. Look like high traffic here. Major highway right here. Come on, man. Like, people be making excuses, man. Come on. Go ahead. Get a loan for it. Put a small payment. Take that money right off that card. Right off that business line of credit. No excuse. Don't tell me you ain't got no cash. This is what you're getting that business funding for. To buy a business. To invest. To scale your life. Right? Let's get out of here. Bear with me. Don't go nowhere. I don't want y'all going nowhere. Stay right here. So many storefronts, so much land, so many different properties. Look at this storefront right here. Let's blow this up right here. Bear with me, people. $215,000. Look at this. This looked like this used to be maybe a barber shop or something like that. But again, I could go on forever on this site. Sometimes I be on this site for an hour just looking. Mostly my eyes is looking for a storage unit. That's what I'm looking for now. But again, this is another great site. You know, again, if you want to look for certain things, right on the left-hand top corner, you're going to put the state you in. If you want to sell, as you see, sell, lease, auction, and then the price range you want, and then the building size, and then you go here to filter. Check this out right here. You could put it what you're looking for. If you're looking for shopping center, right? You're looking for restaurant, retail. If you just want those things, if you want healthcare, doesn't matter. You just go right there, and then you're gonna hit the search. Once you hit the search, it's gonna bring everything up in your area. Again, people, this is simple and easy. I want to see y'all win. I'm sorry I had to drag it out, but I just want you to get an overview and a great idea how you could invest your money and get to that next level. If you know about loopnet.com, get in the comments. Tell me what you think. Like, comment, subscribe. But for now, I'm up out of here. Peace.